Don't send your waste food to the landfill. It decomposes into methane, which is a climate super pollutant. Instead, use an LFC Biodigester, which turns all of your waste food into water. Hello, my name is Ian Milnes. I'm the president of PowerNot, and I'm pleased today to be introducing our latest engineering marvel, the LFC Kit. The LFC Kit is inspired by everyone's favourite build-it-yourself furniture store. Just like assembling that bookshelf or coffee table, you can now build your very own food waste digester right in your office. This LFC Kit comes with a simple instruction manual, vibranium alloy ethically sourced from Wakanda, and just for good measure, 2 spare parts, because who doesn't love a bit of extra reassurance? With the LFC Kit, you're not just reducing your carbon footprint, you're stepping into the future of sustainability. It's simple, easy, and stylish.
I never thought I'd be so excited about building my own biodigester. I basically became an engineer during the process. It's amazing!
Are you ready to take control of your food waste and transform it into water with a touch of DIY flair? Get your LFC Kit today and make a sustainability part of your business. Why settle for boring old landfill when you can have this engineering marvel? Contact us today to order your first LFC Kit for just $99,999. If you order now, you'll get a second one free.
2-for-1 offer is limited in time and quantity. Some assembly is required, including welding, electrical assembly, electronic assembly, wiring, mechanical assembly, plumbing assembly, and hydraulic assembly. This product can expose you to chemicals including arsenic, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer. You may incur death or injuries from burns, electrocution, falling heavy objects, flooding, and frustration. Pregnant women, sick or infirm people, and people under the age of 99 should not attempt to assemble the LFC Kit.